digital to analog converter we have using for operational amplifier circuit. Okay, different types of digital signals converted into analog converter, that is digital signals are zeros and one, that is a binary form. 0 to 7 means 0 means you have to write 0 0. 1 means 0 1. Similarly we can use this. Okay, binary to digital 0 1 0, that is digital values 2. These values how to convert to analog converter decimal value using for operational amplifier. Okay, that's a digital signals converted into analog signals. This is called digital to analog converter. Analog old, that's a signal is current or voltage. Here 100101 is converted into analog signal. DAC means digital to analog converter. We have to convert it into sinusoidal waveform. Okay, let's say analog output signal 40 means 0 0 1. It's increasing. Okay, digital input signal is increasing continuously. Depends upon the, you have to change to analog signals. Okay, types of digital to analog converters. Two types of digital to analog converter is available. Binary weighted or ladder network, switches, resistors and a operational amplifier. Okay, binary weighted resistor and R2R ladder. Depends upon the what type of switches we have used. Switches, resistors, depends upon the connection. We have to binary weighted, how much weightage we have to given the particular network, depends upon the binary weighted resistors and R2R ladder network. Okay, binary weighted network means it's a maximum use for summing operational amplifier, summing circuit, summing operation. Some of the different input signals we have to combine at the output. This is a summing amplifier circuit only. We have to use binary weighted circuit. Maximum is the least significant bit only we have to use. We have to use for V reference. It's a maximum voltage. Transistors are used to maximum between V reference and ground. That's a how much voltage is high, how much voltage is low. Okay, this one circuit. Here ideal operation amplifier we have to use. Okay, no current flow through this circuit to the operational amplifier because the zero virtual ground means zero ground voltage is given to the circuit, means only zero output voltage. When we have to turn on the switches low to high, that time only we are getting the output. Okay, V out equal to minus IRF. That's a feedback amplifier, inverting amplifiers. Here R, 2R, 4R. This is called a binary weighted. Okay, R means 0, 2R means next digit, 4R means next digit. Similarly, we have to increasing. That is a 2 power n. 2 power n into R. N is equal to 0 means 1. 2 power 0 is 1. 2 power n. N is equal to 1 means 2 power 1. Okay, here feedback resistance we have connected RF to RF is connected between output and input. Okay, here V reference voltage feed to the inverting input terminal. Here toggling switch is available. V reference consider for high voltage, that's a 5 volt, or similarly this one grounded, so maybe this toggling switch connected at the ground means only zero values feed to the inverting input terminal. Okay, here see here switch 1 is R network of the switch is connected to the V reference, so output is getting from this R network. Here input is applied to the R network. Next 2R resistor connected to the 0. So what reason? Here 0 potential only, no input to the 2R. 1, 0. Next 4R. 4R toggling switch also touches on the ground signal. So we getting the 0 input to the 4R binary network 1 0 0 similarly. And 2 power n is R. Okay, connected at the V reference signal. Okay, 2 power n depends on how many resistors, depends upon the input signal. 5 digit means 5 resistor required. 2 digit means 0 and 1. 2 digit means only 2 resistors required. First resistor we have to 2 power n into R. N is equal to 0 means only one resistance. Maybe 2 power 1. 1 R is 2 power R. Or similarly, we have to connected. You have to think that how many resistors connected here. How many digits given. You have to check the input. 5 digit means 5 resistors coming here. 4 digit means 4 resistors. So that reason we have to ask us 2 power n into R. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Okay, this type of digital signal converted into analog signal at the output. Okay, converted into analog signal. Here, when this toggling switch connected at the reference signal, so this input is getting the supply from the V reference. Okay, this supply is getting from the V reference. R 2R network. Okay, R 2R and 4R. Okay, here non-inverting terminal is grounded. Non-inverting terminal is grounded. Here calculations already we have to see a inverting amplifier circuit. We have to inverting amplifier circuit output. Feedback resistance RF by R1. Okay, V output voltage is equal to current flow through the feedback circuit into feedback resistance value I into RF. This is a binary weighted resistor. Digital to analog converter. Digital signals, zeros and ones converted into sinusoidal waveform or square waveform, or in terms of decimal signals we have to converted. Okay, how many resistors connected here is the input. How many resistors? Maybe 3 input signal means 3 resistors. Maybe 4 input signal 41001. 4 binary values means 4 resistors connected. Okay, here all the resistors connected in parallel. This toggling switch may be connected at the reference means it getting the 5 volt supply. Okay, otherwise it touches on the 0 means potential, ground potential means it's getting a 0 value. Okay, so binary weighted resistor. Here V1, V2, V3 up to V power n voltages. Here R resistor connected to the V reference signal. So V1 voltages we are getting from the reference. V2, V3 connected at the 0 potential. So we have to connect it to the 0 only, feed to the inverting terminal. Vn means infinity of resistance n, it connected to the V reference signal. So depends upon these connections. V out equal to minus I into RF. I value is voltage divided by resistance value minus RF into V1 divided by R plus V2 divided by 2R up to least significant bit. Yeah, that is a Vn is the least significant bit. V1 is the most significant bit. Okay, here Vn is the least means last signals 100. Here 10011 1 means this one LSB. Okay, here this one LSB signals. This one is This one is MSB. Okay. Source of this one MSB. Okay, this no sound. Okay, here most significant one is most significant bit. LSB is large. Say first in signal is a least significant bit. Last significant bit, let's say last bit is MSB, most significant bit. Okay, so it depends upon the we have to connected here. Okay, V1 by R, V2 by R. Here how many signals available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 input signals. Okay, so 6 resistors required. 6 resistors required. Maybe 1 means it connected to the V reference signal. 0 means it connected to the ground potential. Okay, 0 means it connected to the ground potential. 1 means connected to the reference signal. Similarly, we have to connected. Okay, here this 101,010 converted into analog signals. Okay, maybe RF value is R by 2. Okay, if RF is equal to this resistance R by 2 means we have to here RF is equal to R by 2. So this both sides. So V1 by 2 plus V2 by 4, V3 by 8. That is a how to write V out is equal to minus V reference voltage bit 3, bit 2, bit 1, bit 0. Depends upon the bit 1 signal. We have to write B3 corresponds to bit 3. Similarly, we have to convert it into a digital signal, converted into analog signal. Maybe B3 is 1 means 1 by 2. Maybe B2 is 0 means here no value is coming. So depends upon the bit value we have to verify. Okay, what are the advantages means? Simply its construction and analysis and fast conversions using for operation amplifiers. Okay, what are the disadvantages means? Maximum large range of resistors, maybe 2000 means 2000 R resistance we have utilized. This is a very high resistance value. Maybe resistance increasing means output signal also very much reduced and totally it will be disconnected. So it will disadvantages for this binary weighted resistors. Maximum required for high precision, for low resistor value only required. Maybe 200 bits means 2000 bits means resistance value is increasing. Okay, and require less switching resistance only transistors. It will be very expensive and a limited bar 8-bit resolutions only we have to require. Okay, requires low switch resistances and transistors. Next, R2R ladder network. First one, binary weighted resistors. Here R2R network means little bit circuit connections which will be changed. Okay, circuit connections. Here resistance R value, here 2R value. R 2R because 2000 times R is very not possible. Okay, so resistance value is increasing means manufacturing cost also increasing. So it is a disadvantage is for binary weighted resistors. It will be overcome using for R2R ladder network. So here equal binary values 2R, 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 R values we have connected between two legs. Okay, this toggling switch connected to the ground potential means 0, maybe connected to the V reference means input signal means we are getting the our input signal 1 or 2. Depends upon the input signal. We have to change over to analog waveform. Okay, maybe bit is I means output will be getting maybe Here 0 means output also 0. Depends upon the binary input value. We will get the output at the V out. Okay, this one inverting amplifier circuit only. It's a very easy for that binary weighted. Once you have to understand binary weighted resistor means another one is easy for that. Okay, here depends upon the bit value. We have to change our switches. Toggling will be connected to the fourth pin or second pin or depends upon the 1001. Okay, here this one ideal operation amplifier circuit. Here all the bits will be 0. Okay, all the bits will be 0 means here B3 is connected to ground potential, B2 is connected to ground potential, bit 1 is connected to ground potential. Least significant bit 0 is connected to 1 V reference. So we are getting the V reference signal feed to the inverting input terminal. Depends upon the feedback terminal, we getting the output. Here this R2R will be connected in parallel when two resistors will be getting the output. So it depends upon the 2R into 2R. We have this one parallel resistance R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Depends, we have to calculate. Okay, next value we have to change our, okay, otherwise binary weighted resistors here. These two resistance, here one resistor connected to the V reference, another one resistor connected to the ground potential. What reason we have to getting how to get the output? Okay, how to get the output? When switches turn on, one is getting the input signal, maybe it not touches this pointer means we getting the 0 potential. V3 is equal to this one R divided by 2R. This potential resistance V3 is resistance equations, parallel resistance, parallel network. Okay, R divided by R plus 2R, V1 by this R will be cancelled, 1 by 2 V2. Similarly, we have to calculate V1, V2, V3. The V out is equal to minus V reference. Depends upon the bit 0 or 1, we are getting the change over B3. 1 means 1, 0 means 0. It's a common formula. V out is equal to minus V reference. Summation of Bn minus I is equal to 1 power 2I. What are the advantages means only two resistor value equal values used. So it is a very advantageous. Does not require maximum very high precision resistors. What are the disadvantages means lower conversion speed. Okay, speed is very less compared to the binary weighted resistors. What are the specification of digital analog converters means resolution, speed, linearity, and settling time, and reference voltages and errors. Okay, what is meant by resolutions? How much error is occurring in the signal? So it depends upon the error signal. We have to change over to resolutions. Okay, smallest analog increment maximum corresponding to 1 LSB changed. Okay, and n bit resolution can resolve 2 power n distinct analog levels. Maybe n number of circuit will be increasing means it is possible in the control circuit of the other PLCs using for operational amplifiers. Okay. Speed conversions. Okay, rate of conversions may be changed to digital signal to analog signal. Conversion rate depends upon the clock speed of the input signal and a settling time of the converter. Okay. When the input changes rapidly, digital analog conversion speed also changed. Say linearity, which signal is turned on, depends upon the signal is getting the maximum very high, others 0. Okay, this one linearity, this one non-linearity. Okay, linearity means step by step increasing properly, but non-linearity means irregularly it's varying. Okay, settling time means after some oscillations only it will settled. Okay, this one oscillations. So reference voltage is what type of reference voltage we want to assign means so multimeter voltage or AC grid voltage may be applied to the V reference voltage. What are the types of error associated with the digital to analog converter? Means gain, offset, full scale, resolution, and a non-linearity, and a non-monotonic, and a settling time, and a overshoot. It will be varying. This one, some of the specification of the digital to analog converters. This one, gain errors, the full scale errors, how much it's varying. Resolution error means particular output value. Differential analog, two types, differential one, another one integral. Differential analog step sizes may be increasing, depends upon the input signals. Integral means amount of deviations from straight line after the reset. Okay, this one non-linearity error. We have to draw the slanting line. Step by step, we have to change over. This one overrise, we have to bring to here. After that only it is used for operational amplifier circuit. It's a non-monotonic error. Suddenly it will increase very high signal, suddenly it will decrease. So depends upon the monotonic error. Here positive voltage, negative voltage, overshoot error also occurring. After a certain period only, it has achieved. Digital motor, what are the application means? Digital motor control, computer printers, sound equipment, and players, etc. Electronic cruise control, digital thermostat.